In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Monzo card abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up and use your Monzo card abroad if you are traveling and making international payments. So Monzo can be used anywhere in any currency, and usually there are going to be no fees attached to it. So all that you have to do to use your Monzo card is to make sure that it is active. The best and most convenient way to do this is going to be through the latest version of the Monzo mobile app. So download the latest version of the app, make sure that your account is registered in there, and you can call them if you just want to be sure that this is going to work flawlessly. But as long as the card was properly activated and you use it regularly, it should be good to go. International payments or international transactions should be authorized by default, and as soon as you use your card online by inputting the card number, expiration, and a security code, or in-store by swiping or tapping the card, the international transfer should go through. The money will be exchanged automatically, so regardless of the currency, it is going to be handled by Monzo. You don't have to worry. They might have their own exchange rate with possible fees, so be aware. But regardless, the transaction is going to go through without any issues as long as you have the money available in your account. Most cards issued by Monzo will allow you to do this, but if you notice that your specific card is not allowed to make international transactions, it is recommended that you acquire a new one, either from Monzo, which has the option to do international transactions, or you open an account on a different bank. As long as you take your card with you and you double check with them over the phone or on the app that international transactions are authorized, you will be able to use it abroad without any issues. Just tap or swipe the card or present the necessary information when making a purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Monzo card abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.